Imagine walking into work one day only to find that your job is being done by a machine, faster, cheaper, and without the need for a paycheck. It's not a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's happening now. AI is already replacing jobs across industries, from factories to offices. So the big question is, what happens next? Will AI leave millions unemployed, or could it open the door to a new era of job opportunities? In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important questions of our time. Will AI take your job, or is it the key to unlocking new career paths we haven't even imagined yet? Stick around for tips on how you can prepare for the AI revolution. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our future videos about the future of work, technology, and personal growth. Today, we're tackling a huge issue: AI and job displacement. It's no longer a futuristic concept. Robots, algorithms, and AI-powered systems are reshaping the job market. But here's the burning question. Will AI eliminate more jobs than it creates, or could it actually be a gateway to new, unimaginable opportunities? We're going to explore both sides of this argument, where AI is already taking over, why some people are worried, and how AI could ultimately create more jobs than it replaces. I'll also share some practical tips on how you can future-proof your career in this new landscape. So let's get started. AI isn't just an idea anymore. It's here, and it's changing everything. AI-powered machines are taking over tasks that were once done by humans, from robotic arms in factories to self-checkout systems in grocery stores, and even AI-driven customer service bots. The automation wave is already sweeping across industries. According to a 2020 report by McKinsey, AI could automate up to 45% of all current tasks performed by humans. That's almost half of everything we do. And this isn't just about factory workers. White-collar jobs in finance, healthcare, and even creative industries like marketing are also at risk. In the world of healthcare, for example, AI is already being used to analyze patient data, helping doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI systems are handling tasks like fraud detection, stock trading, and even entire audits. And even in creative industries, AI is producing artwork, writing articles, and editing videos, tasks we once thought only humans could do. But every task AI takes over means a human job is at risk, which brings us to the heart of this discussion. What happens to workers in industries where AI is rapidly automating tasks? Let's break it down. Now, here's the part that has millions of people worried. Reports suggest that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be displaced by automation. That's nearly 1 in 5 workers globally. Let that sink in. 800 million jobs. It's easy to assume this only affects blue-collar jobs, like factory workers, truck drivers, and retail employees. But AI is coming for more than just manual labor. Let's take a look at the transportation industry. If self-driving vehicles become mainstream, millions of truck drivers, delivery workers, and even taxi drivers could be out of work. This isn't a distant reality. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are already testing autonomous vehicles on the roads. Then there's customer service. AI-powered chatbots are getting so good that they're handling an increasing amount of customer interactions. Soon, many companies might not need large teams of customer service reps anymore. And if that wasn't enough, even professionals like accountants, lawyers, and doctors are seeing AI encroach on their fields. AI systems are now reviewing legal documents, performing audits, and even diagnosing diseases. So, it's not just about losing jobs, it's about the quality of work too. Will the jobs that replace these lost roles be as fulfilling? Will they pay as well? These are questions we need to consider as we move forward. But before we get too carried away with the doom and gloom, let's take a look at the flip side. Could AI actually create more jobs than it destroys? Some experts certainly think so. Let's think back to the Industrial Revolution. Sure, machines replaced manual labor, but they also created entire new industries and millions of jobs. Similarly, while AI might eliminate some roles, it's already creating demand for jobs that didn't exist a decade ago. According to a 2018 report by the World Economic Forum, AI could create 133 million new jobs by 2025. Jobs like data scientists, AI trainers, and even positions in AI ethics and governance. These are roles that weren't even imaginable just a few years ago. And it's not just technical jobs. AI could create new opportunities in sectors that we haven't even thought of yet. Think about all the jobs that emerged from the internet and smartphones: app developers, social media managers, and digital marketers. These careers simply didn't exist a generation ago. AI has the potential to do the same. Plus, by automating mundane tasks, AI could free up human workers to focus on more meaningful, creative, and strategic work. AI might analyze data, but it can't think critically or outside the box the way we do. AI might help make decisions, but it still can't provide the emotional intelligence needed for leadership, negotiation, or caregiving roles. So, how do you stay ahead in a world where AI is taking over so many tasks? The answer is simple: focus skills that are difficult for machines to replicate. Let's talk about some key areas where humans will still hold the advantage over AI. First is creative problem solving. AI may be able to analyze data and recognize patterns, but when it comes to thinking outside the box, we're still the champs. Whether you're working in business, the arts, or even tech, creativity is an invaluable asset that machines can't replicate. Next up, emotional intelligence. AI might understand what you're saying, but it can't understand how you're feeling. Jobs that require empathy, negotiation, and relationship building, like management, counseling, and even customer service, will continue to need a human touch. And finally, adaptability. The world of work is changing faster than ever before. The ability to learn new skills, adopt new technologies, and stay flexible will be one of the most important skills you can have. Lifelong learning is key. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer courses on everything from AI basics to advanced coding, and they're more affordable than ever. But it's not just individuals who need to adapt. Governments and companies need to step up too. If we're not careful, AI could widen the gap between those who thrive in the new economy and those who are left behind. Some countries like Finland and Canada are already experimenting with universal basic income to help people make ends meet while they transition into new roles. And companies like Amazon and Microsoft have invested millions into retraining programs for their employees, helping them gain the skills needed to work alongside AI instead of being replaced by it. Governments will need to ensure that workers have access to education and retraining opportunities, while companies must take responsibility for preparing their workforce for the future. It's about ensuring a fair transition so that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. So, is AI a threat to jobs or an opportunity for growth? The truth is, it's both. AI will undoubtedly displace some jobs, but it will also create entirely new industries, roles, and ways of working. The key is staying adaptable. Keep learning, stay open to new ideas, and focus on skills that machines can't easily replicate. The future of work isn't about competing with machines, it's about collaborating with them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. What do you think? Will AI create more jobs than it replaces? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're serious about staying ahead in this AI-driven world, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.